Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia. As you can tell from the title, you already know what this video is about. I got my eyebrows microbladed. Just a little peek at them right now. So I had my friend Carrie do my eyebrows because I've been seeing her record a lot of videos, practicing on other clients, and I trust her a lot with my eyebrows because I know she's very beauty oriented, so I trust her skills, her knowledge, and she's also a student of Erica Fung. You guys probably all know who she is. She is famous all over Instagram for her microblading techniques, skills, and classes that she offers. So I vlogged my entire journey yesterday. I got these done yesterday, so these are 1 day old, and I'm gonna insert the clip now.
So we're gonna map your eyebrows.
Map my eyebrows.
Draw the shape, and then we'll put lemon cream on, and then we'll start microblading.
This is Carrie. Hey. I was asking.
We are microblading her beautiful brows today.
Yes.
She'll be awesome.
I trust her with my eyebrows because, oh, look at her eyebrows, they're so nice. So Carrie just mapped out my eyebrows. You can tell how much my left eye is so much more arched than my right, but I love the shape.
They're gonna be so nice.
Excited! Yay! Carrie just put some lemon cream on, and now we wait. Look at the orange face. Mafia. Ooh, you look cool. I like that mouth mask. Face mask. Alright, this lemon cream is clearly getting to my head. Are you sure this is for my eyebrows?
Not in your brain. Your brain stopped working.
I know, right?
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night.
So she started off with mapping my eyebrows, and she just drew out a shape. At first I didn't want it too arched, so I got it a little more straight and then arched towards the end. Also, we noticed that my left eyebrow was a lot higher than my right eyebrow, so it was like that, and she had to correct it for me. You can probably tell a little bit from the bottom that now it's corrected. But yeah, I love it. I was very hesitant at first to get them done because I was more worried about it not being able to fade away, like in the long run. Like, let's say I wanted a different eyebrow shape, I don't want it to, like, you know, like lighten up to like that bluish reddish tint, which a lot of people have from the tattooing back in the day. So I was really worried about that. Ooh, that was a mouthful. But Carrie assured me that it didn't fade away in that reddish bluish tint, that it would just go lighter in the color that she put on me, which was like a darkish brownish black to match my hair color. So the whole process was 4 hours with the mapping and the microblading and whatnot, but she took a lot of time just mapping out my eyebrows. That was the longest part of it because it's a process to like know exactly what shape you want, what style you want. So that was that. And then after we mapped out my eyebrows, she made sure that I would like the shape and etc. And then she started putting the numbing cream. The numbing cream lasted about like 30 minutes, and then that's when we started microblading the eyebrows. She gave me the smallest needle, and that took about maybe like 45 minutes total. We did like 3 passes. So she did 1 layer, 2 layers, and 3 layers, and then that was that, and that was the end of it. And then we put on that dark cream, wiped it all off, and this is the result. So this is 1 day old. During the process of the microblading, she said that I did bleed a little more so that the pigment was pushing out, so she had to kind of go over it again. But right now it's okay. I was bleeding a little bit yesterday when I sneezed because it stretched my eyebrow a little bit, so I just had to dab it away. But the aftercare is super tedious, she said, because you have to make sure that your eyebrows stay dry at all times. So that means no sweating. You gotta get rid of any oil that you have around your face and on your eyebrows. So a lot of dabbing of oil blotting sheets and paper towels, napkins, whatever you have on hand. But yes, this is how they look now. They're super dark. So it's supposed to be like this for the next 2 weeks. It's supposed to scab up and then fall off on its own. I can't pick at it. If it's itchy, I have to use a Q-tip. But I guess I'll keep you guys updated 2 weeks later on how they look. So I do have to go back in about a month to touch up because she just wants to make sure that the left eyebrow, the pigment where it was pushing out, it stays. So I have to go back for a touch up in a month. But I'll definitely keep you guys updated in 2 weeks to see the finished look. So in my recent vlog, if you guys haven't watched it yet, please go check it out. But I did say that I got a new dog. I adopted this dog from one of my friends. She couldn't keep him anymore because she's starting school and working at the same time, so she didn't have time for him. But I said I will take him because I've been looking to get a dog for a really long time, but I didn't know what kind of dog I wanted to settle for. And then this dog that she had, I am very familiar with. I lived with them for a little bit for a summer, and I'm in love with him. But let me introduce you to him. I just got him a haircut yesterday, so he looks really, really like skinny. He's so cute. Biscuit. His name is Biscuit. Say hi. Oh, he's a sweetheart. So he just got vaccinated and he doesn't feel very good, so that's why he's being so lack of energy, so less energetic. Usually he's very energetic, very sweet. He's a sweetheart. I'll insert a picture of how he looked before I got him all shaved, but I had to do it because his hair was full of knots and it was really hot outside, so I feel like this guy was overheating. But this is Biscuit. Say hi. Hi guys. He's been the sweetest little boy. So he's a boy. His name is Biscuit and he's 3 years old. He is a Cavapoo mix and he is the best. He's so needy. He'll follow me everywhere. He's kind of territorial too, so he'll like bark at other dogs if like they look like they're threatening. He'll bark at other people and dogs if he feels that they're threatening. But other than that, he's the best boy. He knows so many tricks, but I can't show them right now because he hasn't been really like doing anything because he doesn't feel very good. But let me give you guys a closer look. Hi, Biscuit. Aww. I love him so much already. But this is the end of the video. I just wanted to introduce you guys to my new dog and tell you about my microblading journey, because this is something that I've always been very hesitant about, and now that I'm finally doing it, I'm very excited for the results. But yeah, here's a little closer look of how they look. I think they look really good. I'm kind of like nervous about the fallout of like the scabbing and whatnot. I hope it doesn't come out blotchy. That's my only worry, but as long as I take care of them, it'll be fine. Yeah. Oh, I didn't talk about the pain. So the numbing cream helped a little bit, but at first, the first initial pass of the strokes, it did hurt. It did hurt a little bit because I don't know, it's very sensitive in this area. But after she did each pass, she put this blue cooling gel and that helped numb it more, and by the second and third pass, I was completely fine. It just literally feels like scratches. So I feel like that gets to people's head more, so then they think that they feel the pain, but it's just the noise. And then yeah, you should be fine. If you have high pain tolerance, you should be completely fine. I think my pain tolerance out of 10 is like a 6, so it wasn't too bad for me. And that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyed it, because I know I didn't talk a lot about it, but I feel like in the next 2 weeks, as I get more used to my routine and knowing how to take care of my eyebrows, I'll let you guys know definitely after everything has come off and my next touch up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!